Hello everyone, this is Venma Pehan. Today's topic: service and deployment models of cloud. Today we are going to explore the cloud computing in a delicious and relatable way. So I'm using the breakfast and daily travel content to understand the two most important aspect of clouds, that is service models and deployment models. So today's theme is: don't forget to eat before you go to work. Here we go. So, okay, before go to the topic, let's quickly revise about what is cloud computing and AWS global infrastructure. It's very little revision. Cloud is nothing but renting the IT resource instead of buying own servers. You can use them on demand, and also it's highly availability. And next, AWS global infrastructure is how cloud providers build the region, availability zones, data centers, and edge locations to deliver the services around the world. Okay, let's now let me talk about cloud service models. We have three major cloud service models. That is infrastructure as a model, platform as a infrastructure as a service, platform as a service, and software as a service. Each offering different levels of control and convenience. For example, infrastructure as a service gives you only infrastructure that you have to make the virtual machines and storage, operating system, like other IT components. You have to make everything. They only provide the infrastructure to make your other IT resources. In platform as a service, they provide you the platform to run your code. And in software as a service, you don't do anything. You just use the software, that's it. The examples are given in the I mentioned in the presentation, I mean PPT. So the AWS EC2 for infrastructure as a service, AWS Lambda Heroku for platform as a service, and the Gmail, Office 365, Zoom. These all softwares are user-friendly softwares. So it's a best example for software as a service. You don't need to do anything to use these softwares. You just need to log in and use it. So let's compare it with our breakfast. For breakfast, I had eaten today dosa, so I just take it as an example. So I got my raw ingredients from the store yesterday, and I had prepared the batter too. So now I have to cook now, right? So just take it. You did everything like me, okay? You go to the store. So you went to the store and you bought raw ingredients and you had prepared the batter too. Now you make the dosa by yourself. So that means you control everything, but it's more effort, right? You put the more effort to make a dosa from yesterday. So this replicates the infrastructure as a service. The next one here is nothing. You buy the ready-made batter instead of buying the ingredients to cook. You just pour and flip it. Your dosa is ready, but you still did little efforts, right? Okay. Do we have any other options to make breakfast? Yes. Why don't we order dosas from restaurant? Yes, we can. So finally you order from restaurant and you get your breakfast hot and ready with zero efforts. You have to do one thing: just eat. That's it. This is exactly how cloud service works in the different levels of efforts and control. Technically, infrastructure as a service gives you a virtual machine. You manage operating system, applications, updates, and storage and servers. And platform as a service handles the operation system and remaining environments. You just run your code. In software as a service, everything is managed for you. I mean, you just log in and use the software. So each model fits different needs. Okay, I hope you all had your breakfast properly. Okay, so after breakfast, you have to go to the work. We have to go to the work. Okay, uh, depending based on your circumstance, you have two options to go to your work. The one is two-wheeler. The another one is in your area you have a highly availabilities of public transportation. So which one you gonna choose? Okay, let me help. Okay, if you ride by your bike, then the full control in your hand. Yeah, but you have to handle everything because uh, you know, we are not make sure what happens in between the travel, right? Because the bike ride by you, so we have to handle everything. We are responsible for everything too. The next one is public, I mean the government bus, public transportation. um, you lost your privacy, but it's a cost effective compared with others, right? And also you don't have the full control, you have only little bit less control. So because the control and responsibility you shared with others and the driver, mainly majorly driver, so it's you share with everyone, and low cost is free for everyone but less control. The another thing, the last one is so flexible one because it's totally up to your mindset. If you want to go to bike, you pick that. If you want to go to bus, you pick that too. So it's a convenience. So it's a convenient option. The third option is. So these are or replicates the cloud service models, right? Okay. Okay. These are all replicates the cloud deployment models. Sorry. Okay. The private cloud is like riding your own bike because you used to buy only you, right? It can lead to the full control in your hand, but you have to manage everything. Public cloud is like a government bus, cost effective, easy to hop on, but you have to share with everyone. So you lose your privacy. So the next last one is hybrid cloud. It's actually a combination of public and private. It's so flexible. I already told you, like your bus and bike combos. So technically, if you choose public transport like public cloud, the public cloud is open for all, like AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud. It's cost effective and managed all things by providers. In private cloud, it's nothing but it's a on premises, just. And also on premises means it's not working like a traditional method. Actually, that it calls cloud, right? Because company is not working like a traditional method. I mean, there is no manual. The cloud means how it works, how the company works. So the private cloud means the on premises with the cloud technology. There is no providers. They handle their every components, every data, and every works within the company. The last one is hybrid cloud. I already told that a hybrid cloud is a combination of public and private cloud environment. It lets you keep your sensitive data in private clouds and run less critical tasks on public cloud. or else virtual machines, operating system, application like that that are running in private cloud, and separate the data and sorry, separate the storage data in the public cloud. Whatever it is totally up to the company's needs. Hence, this gives you both control and flexibility, like using bike on some day and the bus on others. Okay, now in conclusion, whether you are cooking your breakfast or choosing how to travel, you have lots of options based on your circumstances, as same as cloud technology. Because cloud technology offers flexible options for everyone. So choose cloud services based on how much control you need, and choose cloud deployments depending on your security, cost, and scalability needs. Because cloud is all about flexibility, cost saving, and innovation. Thank you.